What if your database could undo mistakes just like Git, but using standard SQL commands? Today, we explore Dolt, the version control system that treats tables exactly like code files. Dolt is a unique database engine that exposes version control functionality through a familiar Git-style interface. Unlike traditional databases that hide history, Dolt maps commands directly to their Git equivalents but targets tables instead of files. In standard SQL operations, Dolt exposes these version-controlled read operations as system tables. This allows developers to query the full history of every row in your database without leaving their existing SQL workflow. We also built Dolt Hub, a dedicated platform to share these version-controlled databases. It functions as the central repository, allowing teams to collaborate on data structures with the same rigor they use for source code. For users who prefer not to type terminal commands, an integrated graphical interface provides access to this Git functionality. It offers a visual way to manage branches and commits directly within the database management tool. Think of Dolt as if Git and MySQL had a baby. It combines the data manipulation power of a relational database with the safety net of distributed version control, ensuring your data is always tracked and reversible. This integration means you can treat your entire dataset as code. You can branch, merge, and revert dataset as code. You can branch, merge, and revert database changes instantly, eliminating the fear of destructive queries in production environments. So there you have it. Dolt transforms your database into a version-controlled artifact. Imagine how this changes your deployment workflow. Have you considered using Git for your data? Let me know in the comments below.